Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Rock Forest-Saint-Élie-Deauville is one of the 6 boroughs of Sherbrooke, located in the western part of the city in the Eastern Townships region of southern Quebec. The borough was created during the municipal mergers of the early 2000s and combines the former communities of Rock Forest, Saint-Elie, and Deauville into one administrative area. Today, it is one of the fastest growing parts of Sherbrooke, with a population of more than 50,000 people. Residential neighborhoods, parks, forests, schools, and commercial areas all contribute to the borough's modern suburban character. Rock Forest developed originally as a rural farming community outside the main urban center of Sherbrooke. During the 19th century, settlers cleared forests and established farms throughout the region. Agriculture, forestry, and small local businesses supported the population for many generations. Over time, improved roads and transportation links allowed more people to settle outside downtown Sherbrooke, and residential growth gradually expanded across the area. Saint-Elie also has strong agricultural roots connected to the early settlement of the Eastern Townships. Farming communities developed throughout the surrounding countryside during the 1800s, supported by fertile land and nearby waterways. Small churches, schools, and local businesses became central gathering points for residents living across the rural landscape. Although modern residential development has transformed much of the borough, traces of its agricultural history can still be seen in open land, older farm properties, and rural road patterns throughout the area. Deauville became known mainly for its connection to Lake Magog and waterfront recreation. Residential development near the lake increased steadily during the 20th century as more people were drawn to the region's scenery and outdoor lifestyle. Boating, fishing, kayaking, and lakeside recreation became important parts of life in the community. Waterfront parks and shoreline access continue to make the area attractive for residents and visitors throughout the warmer months of the year. Nature remains one of the defining features of Rock Forest-Saint-Élie-Deauville. Forests, wetlands, rivers, and lakes shape much of the local environment and provide habitat for birds and wildlife common throughout southern Quebec. Seasonal changes strongly affect the landscape, from green summers and colorful autumn foliage to snowy winters that support outdoor recreation such as snowshoeing, skiing, and snowmobiling. The borough's parks and trail systems help connect residents to the surrounding natural environment. The borough's location near Lake Magog and close to the larger Eastern Townships recreation region has also contributed to its growth. Nearby attractions, such as Mont Orford National Park, bring visitors to the region year-round for hiking, camping, skiing, and cycling. Many people choose to live in Rock Forest-Saint-Élie-Deauville because it offers access to outdoor recreation while still remaining connected to Sherbrooke's urban services and employment centers. Sherbrooke is the largest city in the Eastern Townships and has a population of roughly 170,000 people. Located at the meeting point of the St. Francis and Magog rivers, Sherbrooke developed into an important industrial and commercial center during the 19th century. Water power from the rivers supported mills, factories, and manufacturing industries that helped drive the city's growth. Textile production, paper manufacturing, and rail transportation became especially important to the local economy during the industrial era. The region surrounding Sherbrooke was first settled mainly by loyalists and immigrants from the United States and Britain during the late 1700s and early 1800s. Because of this settlement history, the Eastern Townships developed differently from many older French communities located along the St. Lawrence River. English-speaking settlers played a major role in the region's early growth, although French-Canadian communities expanded steadily over time. Today, Sherbrooke reflects both English and French influences in its architecture, institutions, and local history. Sherbrooke is also known as an important educational centre in Quebec. The city is home to the University of Sherbrooke and Bishop's University nearby in Lennoxville. Thousands of students attend schools and colleges throughout the city each year, contributing to Sherbrooke's economy and cultural life. Research, healthcare, and education have become increasingly important industries as traditional manufacturing declined over recent decades. The city's rivers continue to shape both its appearance and development. Bridges, parks, walking trails, and waterfalls can be found throughout Sherbrooke, especially near the downtown area and along the riverbanks. Public art, historic buildings, and cultural festivals also contribute to the city's identity. Sherbrooke has worked to redevelop many former industrial areas into public spaces, residential districts, and recreational areas while preserving parts of its industrial heritage. Sherbrooke experiences all four seasons strongly, which shapes tourism and recreation throughout the region. Summers bring boating, cycling, and festivals, while autumn attracts visitors looking for colorful foliage across the hills of the Eastern Townships. Winter supports skiing, snowboarding, and snowshoeing in nearby mountain areas, and spring gradually transforms the rivers and forests after the long, cold season. These seasonal changes remain central to life across the region. Today, Sherbrooke serves as the economic, educational, and cultural center of the Eastern Townships. The city combines historic industrial roots with universities, healthcare institutions, tourism, and outdoor recreation. Neighborhoods such as Deauville help connect Sherbrooke to the natural beauty of the surrounding lakes and countryside. Visitors passing through the area experience a region shaped by rivers, forests, settlement history, and the changing landscapes of southern Quebec. Thanks for watching.